18 BC, a century after the death of Alexander the Great. His successors still vie for dominance over the once prosperous empire. Over the past 3 years, the Seleucid king Antiochus III has pushed through Syria. Ptolemy IV has gathered an army of natives in an effort to meet him at Raphia. With the country in crisis, he knows that defeat would mean nothing less than the end of his dynasty in Egypt. Antiochus, conqueror of Syria, and his Seleucid army now marches on Egypt. Ptolemy has amassed a large and varied force to meet the Seleucid threat. However, Ptolemy's Atlas elephants are panicked by the larger Indian breed commanded by Antiochus. They will not bear being close to them in the coming battle. Ptolemy must be victorious at Raphia, or his kingdom will surely fall.
My lord, the Seleucid forces approach us. Our elephants will not stand being close to those of the enemy. Please avoid them at all costs. At speed! Battle group ready and awaiting orders.
Commander! Battle group ready!
Yours to command!
Melee cavalry ready! At your service!
Citizen cavalry!
Orders! Ptolemaic cavalry! Riders at the double!
We are at your command! Riders
Commander.
advance!
Advance at speed!
Yours to command!
At the double! Orders understood!
Waiting orders!
Tennis!
Understood! Are you waiting? Commander!
Move it! Get sorted!
Egyptian infantry! We attack as one!
Ready! Battle group, awaiting your word!
At your service!
Yours to command!
Break the line for glory! Cut them down!
At your service!
Cut them down! Engage!
Melee infantry at the ready!
Back
for orders!
Break the lines! Spears ready! By your command!
We serve the mighty Pharaoh! Double time! Egyptian infantry!
General! Missiles at your command!
As you command! Egyptian infantry!
Pikes! Yes, Commander!
For the Pharaoh! Strength unto him! On my order, withdraw! We await your command!
Hack them down!
Spearmen, ready for orders!
Pikemen! Understood!
As you wish! For Egypt! At speed! Ready for orders!
At speed! Orders!
By your command! As you command!
At the ready! Quickly now! At your service!
Cut them down! At the double!
Hold now! The double! We will darken the skies! Move out! Taxi! Archers! At the double! General! Open! Pikemen! Ready for orders! Make your shots count! Pikemen! Double time!
Our orders! At the double! Egyptian infantry! Ready for orders!
Advance!
We hunger for blood and battle! Move it! At your service! Quick march! We await your command!
Attack them! Spears!
Forever loyal!
At speed!
Orders! Understood!
Pikemen!
As you say!
As you command!
As you
Use us!
Aljo!
Advance at speed!
Commander! The elephants are going into shock at the sight of the Indian breed. Pull them back immediately. Break off!
My lord!
As you command!
Hayarata!
Pikes! Gotcha! Pull back! Pull back! Yes, Commander! Back! Back now!
Forever loyal! Egyptian infantry!
Double time!
We'll kill them all!
Understood!
Battle ready and eager!
Back!
Come on! Close! Warriors eager for blood!
Break off! Understood! By your command!
Scrappers ready!
Back, man!
Ready! Ready for battle! Ptolemaic cavalry! Understood! Forward!
Camel archers! Fill the skies! Egyptian infantry! What are your orders? Engage! We await your orders! Egyptian infantry! As you say!
Shock cavalry ready! Orders ready and waiting! Riders, advance! War elephants! Archers! Versus! Battle ready and eager! Cut them!
Yours to command!
Orders! Fire!
General!
Light infantry!
Camel archers! Find your targets!
Ready for battle! At your service!
Ready!
Fire on the enemy! By your command!
Orders!
War elephants! Understood! Naxos!
Camel archers! Loose!
Yours to command!
Camel archers! Kyrie!
Ready and waiting! General! Back, men! Back! We await your command! General! As you command! Pikemen!
Camel archers! Find your targets!
Commander! The elephants are going into shock at the sight of the Indian breed. Pull them back immediately.
We hunger for blood and battle!
Archers! Now! Commander! Now!
Command up!
Now! General! Orders! Orders understood! Commander, you have done it! Antiochus and his army have been destroyed. There can be no doubt as to who is the true successor to Alexander the Great.
Archers!